I am not. I am clarifying every point which has been made on your channel tonight. If the Congress party thinks that it can take out another dirty trick out of his sleeve, bring it on, Mr. Jha.
Okay, were you part of a... One second.
We have fought you in court, we will fight you in the street, and we'll fight you through elections.
Mr. Narendra Modi was not just protecting her, he was promoting her in the cabinet.
Jha,
now let me tell you, Mr. Modi in his own state was not aware of the role that Maya Kodani played
which have happened in the state of Gujarat.
No, can you answer that question
43 have happened
that is
because of the investigations which have been undertaken. Which have been undertaken by the Gujarat police. The fact that nobody given,
don't speak over each other.
That nobody was given a preferential treatment, Mr. Jha.
Are you aware of a gentleman by the name of Babu
Mr. Jha, allow me to complete.
And Maya Kodani? No, 1 minute. I'm asking
Mr. Jha, allow me to complete. The fact that nobody, do not try to raise my level of general knowledge, Mr. Jha. I am not Rahul Gandhi. I am aware of that.
And by the way, Smriti Irani, every time I come on a channel,
the fact that nobody was given preferential treatment.
Were you the same person who threatened to go on fast because you believe that Mr. Modi was responsible for the 2002 riots? You threatened to fast and to death
the very fact that you cling
is it yes or no? Please answer that
to attack me
because otherwise you have zero credibility.
Mr.
Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. No, 1 sec. Sanjay Jha. Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. No, Smriti, 1 minute. Smriti, no. You see, the questions are very simple.
The fact of the matter today,
the question is very simple.
Modi stands vindicated through a process of law.
No. First of all, two things. My apology. No, 1 second, please. First of all, Mr. Kamal Faruqui. Sanjay, 1 minute. Sanjay, 1 minute. I request you, don't make it personal. Don't make it personal.
Sure.
Don't make it personal. This debate is not about Smriti Irani or Sanjay Jha. This debate is about the impact of this on 2002. No, 1 minute. Smriti, now calm down. Now, Smriti, calm down. Please, between both of you, please. You know, I know there's a history to this animosity. Now, please just calm down for a minute, please. Thank you very much. Thank you. You see, first of all...
history, not with a guy like Jha.
No, for 1 second. Smriti, now you don't make it personal, please. Now, first of all, I want to apologize to Kamal Faruqui because I haven't come to... Now, will you please, both of you, please cease fire for a minute. Now. Kamal Faruqui, I'm coming to you. But you know what? I'm going to, because before I let him go, I am going to give an opportunity to Sanjeev Bhatt, who has been accused directly by Smriti Irani of being paid off by the Congress party. No.
Supported by evidence.
Of being paid off by the Congress party.
It is a fact supported by evidence.
To be a willing participant in their dirty tricks campaign.
But is this debate about Sanjeev Bhatt?
No, it's not, but let him reply.
Arnab.
I would not have come to it, Mr. Jowher, but she's made an allegation.
Arnab, let me remind you that we have spoken about this at length, me and you, on the very same channel. This issue was discussed threadbare, and somehow today you are allowing this debate to be trivialized. Debate on an issue about serious miscarriage of justice, which concerns the victims of 2000.
No, how do you feel?
Fabrication of evidence is not trivial, Mr. Bhatt. Fabrication of evidence by you, sir, is not trivial.
Ms. Smriti Irani, the SIT has disregarded overwhelming direct as well as circumstantial evidence. The SIT has allowed destruction of documents. Ma'am, I am aware about what I am saying. I have said this on oath.
For you to cast
not just before the Supreme Court, before different commissions. Madam, this is not about casting aspersions.
Political scores.
Madam,
yes, you are.
Madam, that is your view. An SIT, madam, an
Please
SIT
define what is the BlackBerry and the package
Supreme Court
that you received, sir.
Madam, I'll come to that. Please don't jump, ma'am. I'll come to that. The very fact that the SIT was constituted by the Supreme Court does not suffice to make it sacrosanct. That does not ensure, that does not guarantee that it will not err. See, we have instances where even Supreme Court judges have been questioned for their behavior.
9 interim reports.
Justice Ganguly is a very recent incident. Right. Now, in this particular case, the SIT, ab initio, has been failing continuously in collecting evidence.
Arnab.
And that is exactly what they said in the
Okay, now you both made your points. I'm moving on. No, you both made your points. No, I'm not allowing a counter to this. No, I'm not. No, Smriti, I'm not allowing.
Smriti, investigation is not sacrosanct.
Smriti,
a magistrate is not sacrosanct.
Smriti Irani.
No, ma'am, it is not.
No.
Evidence which has been proven before the court of law is not sacrosanct.
Sanjeev Bhatt,
appointed by the Supreme Court.
Sanjeev Bhatt,
Sanjeev Bhatt, treat the report
Sanjeev
of
Bhatt,
the and amicus curiae on different footing.
No,
that is sacrosanct. The fact that you take blackberries and packages, that is sacrosanct.
To the topic.
Madam, again you are trying. I can have a full debate with you, madam, on this very issue. Arnab, let us have a debate tomorrow. Arnab, let us debate tomorrow on this issue. Me and Smriti Irani, with you playing the referee tomorrow on the issue of BlackBerry, on the issue of packages, on the issue of my.
Now, Smriti and Sanjeev Bhatt, please. Smriti and Sanjeev Bhatt, we agree today. We agree today. 1 minute, Sanjeev. 1 minute, Sanjeev. We agree today. Mr. Jowher, we agree today. A charge has been made. We'll debate this another time. On the political point, Kamal Faruqui, and I'm really sorry to come to you late, would you admit today, as one of the most ferocious critics of Narendra Modi, that even you have run out of issues to target Modi now? You see, Mr. Faruqui, the riots cases have drawn a blank. Amit Shah has not been named in the Ishrat case. And so, you will have to be forced soon to engage with a debate with Modi on development, because you have run out of all ammunition to attack him in any of the other cases, because the courts and the investigating agencies have arrived at no other conclusion. So, would you admit, Kamal Faruqui, that you've drawn a blank vis-a-vis Modi?
Absolutely not, because I have got complete faith. Absolutely not, because I have got the faith in the judiciary. And this is just the first step which has been decided in the lower court. Now, we have got all the opportunities to go to the higher court. And what Smriti Irani ji is saying, unfortunately, they are making the personal allegations against each other, which should not be the forum. In fact, they could have discussed some other time. But right now, let us come back to the practical question. SIT was, yes, it was appointed by Honorable Supreme Court, but at the same time, its finding was not
Let him finish.
right, and the amicus curiae has objected to a lot of things which has not been taken care of by the SIT. And the closure report, report is a procedure. There's a closure report.
No, whatever the findings of the amicus. No, whatever the findings of the amicus.
Don't disturb.
SIT filed a closure report. SIT filed a closure report. SIT on the basis of that, and the basis of that lower. SIT filed a closure report, Mr. Faruqui. Court accepted it. Yeah. So you are flogging a dead horse.
Court accepted it.
So you are flogging a dead horse.
Lower court is accepted. Listen.
Yeah, exactly.
Listen,
Arnab, the amicus curiae's report, Raju Ramachandran's report is very relevant even for the future.
At the lower court, we have got.
Raju Ramachandran's report is relevant even for future.
So what is your argument? Sanjay Jha, 1 minute. By the way, everyone's.
We are asking for this. For the insaf.
Insaf as in, what are you saying?
Mr. Jafri was butchered.
Okay,
the whole house was, entire society was.
So you are, 1 minute.
That was done.
Kamal Faruqui ji.
Someday or the other.
Faruqui ji, ek sawal karu, can I ask you one question? One question. Mr. Jowher, 1 minute. Yatin Oza, welcome to the debate. Smriti Irani, I see your hand go up there. I'm going to come to you in a minute. The question is, the point being made is...
Arnab, I want to come in.
No, Sanjay Jha, so the point both of you are making is that Narendra Modi is morally responsible. Is that the point you're making, that he's morally responsible for the Gujarat riots? Are you saying that, Sanjay Jha?
He's morally responsible and legally the case is far from over. Let me tell you,
so if I were to... No, 1 sec. So Sanjay Jha.
High Court.
So Sanjay Jha, 1 minute.
If the BJP says today that
no, Sanjay, 1 minute. One minute.
Supreme Court is going to hear it in a short period of time.
1 minute. So the question...
So how can you say this is an acquittal?
No.
1 minute. When Amit Shah got arrested and released on bail, BJP made an impression as if he's acquitted.
No, 1 second. So I'm getting Yatin Oza and Smriti, listen to the straight.
I can understand they want to score political points, but you can't be disingenuous. You can't distort information. You can't try and score political points for everything that happens.
See. 1 second. Smriti, I'm going to come back to you. The BJP says, now you say Narendra Modi morally culpable. Yatin Oza, let me get you it. BJP says the Prime Minister of India is morally culpable in the coal scam. The BJP says Manmohan Singh is morally culpable in the coal scam. Why does the Manmohan Singh not resign? The Prime Minister's statement, Sushma Swaraj says, has made the CAG allegations more prominent. We want the Prime Minister to resign, so resign. Does the Prime Minister resign?
You are diverting.
No, I'm not diverting.
You are digressing the whole...
How am I diverting?
Yeah, it has nothing to...
Arnab, listen, okay, let me answer that. Since you are naming the Prime Minister as a Congress party spokesperson, let me answer. The process of investigation on anything, whether it's X, Y or Z is on. And if anybody is convicted or if anybody is proven to be wrong, they should...
Yatin Oza come into the debate.
But this is not the point that we're talking about.
Yatin Oza...
This is about the death of 2,000 people.
Yatin Oza enters the debate.
Sponsored genocide.
Issues are entirely different.
Arnab, listen, let's
Yatin Oza now.
The topic.
Sanjay Jha, Yatin Oza wants to come into the debate and I let him.
A state-sponsored genocide that happened in Gujarat. 2,000 more people have died. And you have a man who's pretending that he's a...
One at a time, gentlemen. Gentlemen, 1 minute. Kamal Faruqui says, Arnab, you are digressing. How am I digressing? I am saying that you say Narendra Modi is morally culpable. BJP says Prime Minister is morally culpable in the coal scam. Will you buy that argument?
BJP can say what it wants to.
So
Arnab, the BJP has wanted the Prime Minister to resign over 1,200.
So you have also wanted Modi to resign over 2002.
The BJP has asked for the Prime Minister's resignation over 1,000 times. It's ridiculous.
I am letting Yatin Oza in at this stage of the debate. Yatin Oza is responding to both sides tonight. Yatin Oza, Mr. Jowher, Yatin Oza.
Two issues are entirely different.
Yeah.
BJP asks for Prime Minister's resignation on objective facts, while Congress and other sponsored NGOs by Congress have maliciously targeted Gujarat Chief Minister for no reasons. He has done whatever best he could have done. He immediately wanted assistance from Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Two states in writing have refused that we will not give you police assistance. Maharashtra gave it after 3 days.
And the Congress
state. Army has been requested to be summoned. Immediately, National Security meeting has been convened on 28th. 56 aircrafts carrying army personnel have been landed, not only at Ahmedabad.
No, we are not going back into history now.
Places. And
no.
Talking about
get the facts.
No, what do you mean get the facts, Meenakshi? Sorry, Smriti.
Under my chair.
1 second.
Say that corruption
May I
issue.
come in?
The Prime Minister is directly.
First of all, Mr. Yatin Oza, Mr. Oza, 1 minute. I am not getting clear audio with you. I am going to improve the quality, your audio track just a minute, and I am going to come back to you. Before that, I want to ask Smriti one question. Smriti, are you... 1 minute. Mr. Jowher, 1 minute. Smriti, are you ready to now discuss Snoopgate?